Today's story is about the cat and the ball of yarn. Kedi ve yün yumağı. Kedi, we know it's cat. Together, these words yün yumağı means the ball of yarn. And this is our story. Bir varmış, bir yokmuş. Yaşlı bir teyze varmış. Once upon a time, there was an old lady. So as we spoke before, we said in the previous stories that bir varmış, bir yokmuş gives the meaning of once upon a time. Yaşlı bir teyze varmış. There was mış in the past, the unreported past tense or reported past tense. There was an old lady. Now teyze means aunt. But what translation would say there was an old aunt, there was an old lady. Teyzenin bembeyaz tüyleri olan güzel bir kedisi varmış. The lady had a beautiful cat with a snow white fur. The lady, teyzenin, we're talking because we want to talk about her cat. The lady had a bembeyaz, which means like a very white. This is stressing. Beyaz means white. Bembeyaz, we're stressing white as snow. If you want to do it, say it this way. So the lady, had a beautiful, güzel, first of all, a beautiful cat with what? That had olan, that had a bembeyaz tüyleri fur, bembeyaz very white, like Snow White, the white of the snow. Kedi günlerini pencereden dışarıyı seyrederek geçirir. Now, the cat passes its days, günlerini, its days, watching outside the window. So the cat spends its days watching outside the window. Teyze ise, as for the lady, örgü örmeyi çok severmiş. She loves, we can say she loved in the past, she loved to what? To knit. Örgü örmeyi means to knit. Together. Teyze bir gün kırmızı renkli kocaman bir yün yumağı aldı. One day the lady bought a big red ball of yarn. So one day, bir gün, one day, the lady bought, from almak, aldı means bought, almak to buy. So one day, the lady bought what? A big red, a big, kocaman means big, a huge, if you want to say, a huge red yün yumağı, which is ball of yarn. So one day the lady bought a big red ball of yarn. Kırmızı renkli. Renkli means color. Kırmızı is color, which is, we say red. We don't say color of red color. But we say one day the lady bought a big red ball of yarn. Yumağı görünce kedi heyecanlandı ve, okay, let's stop here. Heyecanlandı. When it saw the ball, the yarn, we say, the cat got excited. Heyecanlandı. It got excited. Heyecanlanmak, to be excited. Heyecanlandı, was excited. Ve pencereden uzaklaşıp, she moved away from the pencere, from the window. That means from, uzaklaşıp, uzaklaşmak, move away. And the up here we explained it a lot. When we have two actions we put it. Teyzenin yanına gitti and went beside the lady. Yumağı patisiyle dürttü ve miyavladı. Teyze gülümseyerek, oh, let's say this one. So this sentence means it nudged the ball with its paw and meowed. The sound, well, how do you say it? Meowed, the sound of the cat. So yumağı patisiyle, with its paws. What did it do? Dürttü. It nudged. Nudge. So dürttü, it nudged the yarn with we mean the ball of yarn with its paw ve miyavladı, and it meowed, the sound of the cat. Teyze gülümseyerek, it passed before, dede said. The lady said while smiling, what did it say? What did she say? Bu benim örgü yumağım kedicik. This is my yarn ball kitty. So bu benim örgü yumağım, which means this is bu. This is my what? Ball of yarn. My yarn ball, we can say. Kedicik Kitty. Onunla kazak öreceğim. Or we can say if we want to öreceğim means this is the local. When you speak every day you say acam or ecem. But in grammar we say öreceğim. Öreceğim. But while speaking we don't hear that. Onunla kazak öreceğim. Which means I'm going to knit a sweater with it. So I'm going, the future is ecek. M is I. I will knit a sweater with it. Onunla means la means with it. Kedi yumağı bırakmadı. The cat did not leave the yarn. So the cat bırakmadı did not leave what? The yarn. Örgü şişlerini sağa sola savurdu ve ipliğe takıldı. Meaning of this sentence, it tossed the cat, we're talking about the cat, tossed the knitting needles around, which means right and left, and tripped over the yarn. We'll explain it more, you'll understand what I mean exactly. Örgü şişlerini sağa sola savurdu. It means like it moved, it tossed the knitting needles, this is the meaning of these two, to the right, to the left. It started playing with it to the right, to the left. What happened? Now, iplik here means yarn or even thread, but we're talking about yarn, so it's yarn. And she got stuck into the yarn. So the yarn was all over her. It got stuck, it tripped. So, like it was moving and tripped over it, and it's a mess now. You know what I mean? Oynamaya çalışırken yumağı bozdu. While trying to play, it messed up the ball. It messed it up. Now you cannot knit, or the lady cannot knit what the sweater that you wanted to do. It was messed up all in together. So oynamaya çalışırken can means while trying, çalışmak here means try. While trying to play, yumağı bozdu. Or we can say bozmak means to spoil. She spoiled the yarn. This is how we can say it, yes. While trying to play, she spoiled the yarn. Teyze üzülerek. The lady was sad. She was sad, she said. So she said the sentence while she was sad. Ah kedicik ne yaptın sen? Oh Kitty, what have you done? So oh Kitty ne yaptın sen? What did you do? Dedi while she was sad. So we can say it as the lady got sad and said, oh Kitty, what have you done? Yün yumağı artık kullanılamaz hale gelmişti. The yarn ball was unusable now. Now, no one is saying this, but this is the story. It says the following. Yün yumağı means the ball of yarn. Artık, now, kullanılamaz, it cannot be used. Hale gelmişti. Now, hale means situation. Gelmişti, it came. But we don't translate it this way. We say the yarn ball was unusable now. We cannot use it anymore. Maz is the negative of the geniş zaman. Teyze üzülse de kedisine kızmadı. Although the lady was upset, but she was not angry with her cat. So teyze üzülse, se means if. Or we can say although here while translating. Although the lady was sad, but she did not get mad. Kızmadı, ma is the negative, the past. She did not get mad from her cat. Kedisi, her cat. Elindeki yünden yapabileceği başka bir şey düşündü. She thought of something else she could do or she could make from the wool she had. Elindeki yünden. The yün, what is it? The yarn that was in her hand, deki that was in her hand. What? Yapabileceği, to be, to do in the future, to do, başka bir şey, another thing, düşündü, she thought. So the sentence will be, she thought of something else she could do with the yarn in her hand. Küçük pompon adı verilen yuvarlak toplar yaptı. What did she do? She made small round balls called pompons, and it's the same in English. If you search for it, it's like small ball. Küçük, small. Pompon adı verilen yuvarlak toplar yaptı. So let's say the verb. Yaptı with the verb. She made what? Small, küçük. small, round, yuvarlak, round, balls, top means toplar, balls. So again, she made small, round balls called pon-pon. Other verilen given the name. But we don't just say given the name, we say called pon-pon. Kedi ponponları görünce çok sevindi. The cat was very happy when it saw the pompons. So, kediyi görünce, when the cat saw the pompons, çok sevindi. It means she was very happy. Ponponlarla oynamaya başladı. The cat started, talk about the cat started to play, oynamak. To play with the pompons. And Bella is with, onları yuvarlıyor, zıplıyordu. What did the cat do? It rolled over them and it was jumping. So we say onları yuvarlıyor, like rolling them. The cat was rolling the pompons and jumping. Zıplıyordu. Zıplamak, to jump. Zıplıyordu was jumping at that time. Teyze de yeni bir yün yumağı aldı. The lady yeniden again. What is it? Yeni, yeah. Teyze de, the lady also bought new ball of yarn. Ve örgü örmeye devam etti and continued to what? Knitting. Örgü örmeye, together knitting. Artık kedi pomponlarla mutlu mesut oynarken teyze de huzurla örgü örebiliyordu. The sentence at the end means now while the cat was happily playing with the pompons, the lady could knit in peace. So now while can, which is can. Now, while the cat was happily met, mutlu mesut means was happy. So while the cat was happily playing, playing with the pompons, what was the lady doing? Teyze, the lady could knit here, örgü örebiliyordu. Could knit, together could knit, huzurla, with peace, or we can say in peace. So the lady also could knit in peace. Now here örgü örebiliyordu. Ebil means can. Okay, it gives the meaning of can, and when we translate it, it means the lady could knit in peace. This is the translation of the story. These are the words. If you want to try to remember what they mean, let's say them together. Savurmak, kızmak, yuvarlak, zıplamak, kocaman, örmek, güzel. What do you think of the story? If you liked it, share your opinion in the comments section below.